money on woodworking projects. You can build armchairs, tables, beds, and many other things, and if you build nice things, you will be able to sell them. The great thing about the woodworking craft is that it can give families with low income the possibility to have some nice furniture and other things in their homes since they can create these items with their own hands. It takes time to become skillful, of course, but everyone has to start somewhere to become successful. It's never too late to start working with woodworking projects, and it's a fun hobby to practice as well. Get some help online. If you're interested in learning more about the woodworking craft, you should perform some research on the net. You will be able to find plenty of useful tips there, and you will soon be able to start practicing what you've learned. You can also get much help if you become a member of a forum on the net where woodworking craft is discussed. When you've read a few guidance articles online, you will know that you need some basic woodworking tools when you want to start working on your woodworking plans. A saw is a tool that you can't live without if you want to become a woodworking talent. You will need more than one saw, at least 2 saws, perhaps more. You also need to buy at least 1 jig, and a knife is always good to have as well. These tools are the basic things you need to have to get started, but you might have to buy a few other tools as well when you proceed to more advanced woodworking projects. Get yourself a hobby that can satisfy you. The woodworking craft is a hobby that can be very satisfying. It feels great to know that you've built the nice things that you have in your home, and your family will most likely be very happy about it as well. This is a great hobby to have, and it can become your profession one day if you spend enough time on it. It's a great feeling to be able to build something from wood with your own hands. You can come up with new woodworking plans every month and finish them as soon as you have some time off from work.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips and project ideas. And here's something special: if you're ready to build your own Adirondack chair, we've got a detailed guide just for you. Download it now and take the first step toward your next project. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating more valuable content. Let's build something great together.